approximately 1:12. There has been a 1-hour time change. Please stay in your seat until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign to indicate that it is safe to move about the cabin. And use caution when you open your ribbons and gather your personal belongings. Items may have shifted. If you have questions about ground transportation or baggage claim, a Delta representative greeting this flight will be able to assist you. If you haven't already turned on an electronic device, it is safe to do so. However, laptop computers do need to stay in the off position stored properly for safety reasons. On behalf of all Delta employees worldwide and our codeshare partner Aeromexico, thank you for choosing us today. We do wish you a wonderful time here in Cancun, and we look forward to seeing you on your return trip home.
The Corona advertisement on the Corona beer company.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you seated at the window, we're going to ask that you please lower your window shades all the way. Will help us keep the jet cool for our next passengers. And please make sure that your eyelets above your seats, the air vents are